Welcome, today in front of me Blackview A90 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application and here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so just tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open and click enable in settings. Then here near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap to OK, then again OK, and go back to the app. Here click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now the process is finished. So let's just go somewhere, for example into the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.